What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to prevent Google Photos from backing up photos on your iPhone. If you're using Google Photos on your iPhone, you might want to stop the automatic backup for a few reasons. Maybe you're running low on cloud storage, or perhaps you prefer to save your photos directly on your device. Whatever your reason, here's how to stop backups in Google Photos. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will open a menu where you will see several options related to your account. In the menu, select Google Photo Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where you can adjust various features and preferences for the app. From here, find and tap on the backup option. This setting controls whether or not your photos and videos are automatically saved on Google servers. Once inside the backup settings, you will see a switch at the top labeled Backup. By default, this is often turned on, meaning all new photos and videos are automatically backed up in Google Photos. To stop the backup, simply toggle the switch off. Once you do this, Google Photos will no longer automatically upload new photos and videos from your device. Disabling backup will prevent future uploads, but keep in mind that any photos or videos already backed up will remain in your Google Photos library unless you delete them manually. Turning off backup doesn't remove any previously uploaded content, it just stops new media from being backed up automatically. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.